Another beautiful day. It's Thursday, day 5 of RAGBRAI. Forgot to change the memory card in the Osmo, so I don't have any memory cards to shoot. I saw that lady doing that before. She's been on the whole ride. And this is one of the Amish stops, I think. A little porta potty that they set up, taking advantage of before the first town. Gone like 15 miles and still didn't see a town, so it's kind of unusual for the first town, but we're good. We'll just walk through, maybe get some water. Today should be about 75 miles. So some of these towns, there's really not much to it. We've passed through towns. This is one of the smaller ones. Looks like there's a park there, a town park, but there's no square or anything. Not much of a, really not much to it. There's a few pop-ups there. Looks like there's some flapjacks and pancakes, and then I know there's a company that has eggs and stuff there, farm fresh, and coffee I believe that one place has. It's a little Amish store. I don't know if it's actually run by the Amish, but local stuff. Some chocolates, some pastries. I was just inside. I bought one of these pastries, puffin. It's a Amish thing. Heading east, I'm seeing more and more Amish, but there was a bigger country store I passed earlier. Got the ice cream out front. Looks like they sell sheds too. Swing sets. I think the pop-ups are for pie. And there goes the ride. It's called the Red Shed. So it was good to stop here because a little cheaper buying the Gatorade here than it is on the road. And they have a little tent set up with eggs, ham and cheese wraps, pie of course. I got a couple slices of watermelon. Pretty much all these stops have Gatorade too, so not one for going thirsty, but you'd be spending a lot of money. It's like $2 a bottle, and I could see at least going through like 10 of them or so a day. It's been a little bit hotter here today. The sun's been out, but it's been kind of overcast, so it's not exactly direct sun for the most part. Someone said we have 2 more hills to go. Only 2 more hills, so I don't know how far out, maybe 6 miles away from Fairfield, where we're staying tonight. That's the most important stat, man. 14 something. We're at the local middle school. Showers are close by, and I'm also, if I get in early enough and I can do it, I'm tending to park near the baggage truck, just so I can make it easy in the morning. Not have to walk that far with my very heavy bag. But the bag's got to be close to 50 pounds. So, but here we are in Fairfield at the middle school. Okay, leaving camp. This is my last day in camp. This is Fairfield. I stayed at the, I'm not sure if it's the middle school, one of the schools. There's one of the charters over here. I think this is probably my earliest start of the day. It's just before 7 a.m. I'm going to go up and get some coffee at my new favorite store, Casey's, I believe, or Yum and Go. I think I have my choice up here. That's about it. Rain last night. It's not supposed to rain today. It says cloudy, which it certainly is, and doesn't look necessarily like rain. So far so good for the last day. This is one of the churches that opened up and had a little charging station going last night, which was kind of nice. So here we are. This is one of my usual coffee spot in the bigger cities. Actually, this meeting towns, the towns we're sleeping are bigger, but it's come and go. It's kind of like a Wawa, if you're familiar with that. A lot of the cyclists come here, but this one's going the opposite direction from leaving town, so I think that's why there's no one here. The other store is Casey's, which is down there, the sign past the McDonald's. Casey's General Store, it's a very similar store, but this one was a little bit closer. And I actually like this coffee dispensers better in this one, but these are the choices. Usually when I get coffee in the morning, since that's the one thing that seems to be lacking at the vendors is coffee. Here we are in Stockport. Outside of Stockport, first beer stop. Since then, I think it might have been one earlier, but there's beer back there, and it is 9:30 in the morning for me. Started earlier today than I have been, so should get to town maybe as early as like 2:30 or so if I don't stop. Here we are in Salem, Iowa. This is my last meeting town for the journey, since I'm not doing the last day tomorrow. All the same companies are here, meeting in the town square. Just had a strawberry smoothie and a corn dog. Just wanted to get something. And there's the typical bathroom line. Some stops are better than others in terms of the wait. I don't see free water. Usually the fire department puts out free water. The contraption they have to people to fill up their cups, but I don't see that. Last town didn't have it. Usually it's as you, well, I shouldn't say usually, but it's been known to be as you leave town, wherever the firehouse is. last day. All these people are going to Kayakook. I'm going to get a rental car and head out. But these are the people that are going to finish the ride. Camp in the morning. They just told us there's coffee over at the concession stand there by for the school. So I'm going to go over and get some coffee. And then it is now 6 o'clock, so I have to kill time till about 9 for the airport to open the rental facility. So I'll just be chilling here. That's what it looks like though as they break camp here on RAGBRAI 2019. Loading up the trucks. Porta potties. Line's not too bad. I think everyone's getting a... Oh, there's the line there. It's going around the corner. I wonder if people are getting an early start since it's the last day and they pretty much have to bug out tonight when they get to Kayakook.
They have muffins. They have stuff to use over there.
Today's the first day there hasn't been condensation on my tent. The tent's usually soaking wet when I wake up because of all the condensation, but today actually the tent remained dry, which is really quite nice.
Right. All this money we're making all over here is for the music department. Separate?
I'm going to put it in my hand.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have some forks and spoons over here.
Let's see.
You want a fork or
Chris.
That's pineapple, mango.
You can give him another one.
Whatever you want. If you want some of each.
Another one more.
That's each. Half of it has walnuts and half of it doesn't. You need a fork, spoon, or? Yeah, a couple of forks.
So here it is, about 9:10. Got my rental car. There it is there. Seems like everyone's left. There's one person down there. Looks like another backpack over there. There's my tent there. So basically 9 o'clock everyone's out of here. This is the last day, except for maybe a couple stragglers. I think these people over there are waiting for rides. One of the gentlemen came up and asked me if I was shipping my bike because he was going to New York and how he was going to contact a bike shop. So there's the ride. I just I'm on my way taking the back roads, so I just crossed it. But there they are there. On the way to Kayakook. It says 16 miles according to that sign I just saw. Luckily I'm just crossing the Peloton, not going that direction, so I'm trying to look for a familiar face, but I don't see any. The road's in bad shape. This isn't really a great looking road. This is similar to some of the stuff that we rode on. Now it's all broken up. It's the concrete blocks, and it's really not a great ride, especially on thin tires.
Thank you.